This is my latest clock. It just arrived today and it's on the go now. It's a ZentRa German box clock from no earlier than 1933, and it's special. It has a Potsdamer Gong. Right off the bat, I will let you hear the Potsdamer Gong. That only plays on the half hour, and then for the hour, it is a musical chord. This clock was made by Kienzle, very prominent German manufacturer with clocks. The Potsdamer Gong has a bit of sinister history, to put it lightly. Kienzle, around 1933, released these clocks to the market, as well as clocks that played Deutscher Gong, as they called it, which was literally just part of the anthem of the Third Reich. This one is mildly more innocent. Potsdamer Gong refers to the church in Potsdam, the garrison church. There was once a bell carillon that played Übe mir Treu und Redlichkeit, which is a song by Mozart, and that's the melody that this clock plays. Now, the reason as to why they chose this chime, aside from it being already cemented in German folklore by Mozart, Hitler celebrated the opening of the new Reichstag at the garrison church in Potsdam. So, to commemorate that, Kienzle made this. It could go either way. It could be more so because they knew that that song played significance in German history, or it could be because they knew Hitler was at the garrison church. I want to make it clear, my ownership of this clock does not resemble my political beliefs. Just like how I own this clock, it resembles nothing of my political beliefs. I do not condone supporting Nazis, so don't get the wrong idea by me owning this clock. I own this clock because it's a rarity, not because of the messages behind it. The messages behind it are disgraceful. So now, as always, I'll show you the movement. Okay, here's the clock out of its case and with the dial off. This is quite an interesting mechanism, the way that they've done these Potsdamer Gong clocks. So Kienzle designed this movement to play a chime on the half hour and then strike a chord on the hour. They've done this by designing a mechanism that engages and disengages. So, for the Potsdamer Gong chime, you can see this piece here is being lifted upwards. That is going to stop the rack from dropping all the way. As you can see there. And now, these cams are going to mesh in a way that allows the chime barrel to turn and play the notes. This gear right here is going to click into place. This is not what a properly adjusted Potsdamer Gong movement should do. Not entirely sure how to fix that, and I don't want to make things worse, so if you have suggestions, please tell me. But on the hour, this piece here moves out of the way, so the rack can fully drop, and then this cam will disengage with the chime barrel, so that this upper cam will then engage with this star wheel, and then lift the last 3 hammers. Okay, now it's time to go back in the case. Just so we're clear, The little Mauta box clock is safe. It's just hanging on the other side of the room, right next to the Seiko. Well, I hope you like seeing that clock as much as I do, and I'll catch y'all later.